In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive a purchase order, whether in full or in part, in QuickBooks Online. Handling purchase orders efficiently is crucial for maintaining a well-managed inventory and ensuring smooth business operations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to accurately receive purchase orders within your QuickBooks system, eliminating errors and gaining confidence in your financial management skills. To get started, let's navigate to QuickBooks Online. Open your browser and enter the QuickBooks website URL, logging in with your credentials. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the homepage, surrounded by various options. But don't worry, we'll guide you through exactly where to go. Next, let's direct our attention to the upper right corner of the QuickBooks homepage. Here you'll find the settings icon, which resembles a gear. Clicking on this opens a drop-down menu filled with a range of configurations you can adjust. Our focus today is on the Account and Settings option, found nestled within this menu. Selecting this will lead you into a world where you can tailor your QuickBooks experience according to your business needs. Once inside Account and Settings, you'll see several tabs running along the left-hand side, including Company, Billing, and Usage, among others. Here we'll click on the Expenses tab, which allows us to delve into the details of how QuickBooks handles purchase orders, expenses, and vendor details. Within the Expenses section lies a dedicated subsection specifically for purchase orders. By clicking on Purchase Orders, you can review how your QuickBooks is set to manage those crucial documents. In this area, you can verify and monitor purchase orders issued, adjust settings pertinent to them, and ensure that everything aligns with your business practices. To finalize the process, ensure that all modifications align with your accounting requisites and business policies. Remember that QuickBooks lets you configure these settings to automatically email purchase orders to vendors if needed, which can streamline your operations even further. Adjust these configurations as you see fit for seamless day-to-day business activities. With all the steps completed, you'll now be able to accurately receive purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. This setup provides an organized approach to managing inventory and expenses, granting you more time to focus on growing your business. If you find any of these steps tricky, feel free to review the video as many times as you need until you feel confident navigating through them on your own. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide to receiving purchase orders in QuickBooks Online both helpful and empowering. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on managing your QuickBooks account more effectively. See you next time.